This meat slicer really cuts the meat like butter.
Everyone, Rebecca here, and I am excited to share with you this meat slicer. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. It does show on the side here what products will come in this box. And it also has how to use it in assembling the unit itself.
I found the booklet quite helpful. It explained what kind of meat to use. Now this is a fresh meat slicer. This meat slicer does offer two different thickness, 4 millimeters and 2 millimeters. It's easy to put it onto the base, and this base will attach to your countertop so you're hands-free while you're cutting this. It also came with a neat little tool to put on your cupboard so you can store this later. Now, as you can see, it does come with a sharpener. And also, cleanup will be a breeze with the brushes that they do offer in the kit. A great feature about this meat slicer is that it has a lock that you'll put on your countertop. This will ensure that it'll stay in place while cutting your meat. And you can see here, I'm trying to move it a little bit, and it's gonna stay put. This meat slicer is equipped with 17 blades, so you can have 18 slices in one go. And it's so easy to change the thickness right there. This meat slicer does offer 6 different types of meat cuts. You can have thick strips to fine julienne, diced meat to minced meat, thin slices to thick slices. This meat slicer is a all-in-one, easy to use, easy to sharpen, great to have in the home meat slicer. And as I use the meat slicer, you have to just make sure that your meat is cut in the diameter for the meat slicer. You just pull it right down. These blades were very sharp. I really liked how uniformed all of my slices looked when I was making my chicken fajitas. It just cooked so evenly, and it was just so easy to clean up the meat slicer, to use the meat slicer, and to store the meat slicer. So if you're looking for an at-home professional meat slicer, this is it.